display of your IntelliMix can be used to select sources and set up parameters. The touchscreen is divided into 4 segments, each one belongs to one channel. And there's one additional master display for superior entries. To keep it as simple as possible, the master display is arranged like the channel displays. You can use gestures well known from your smartphone. Using IntelliMix Pro, you can also access the administrator area. To keep it simple, IntelliMix Focus comes without admin mode. Please use the admin software to adjust default settings. In default view, the master display shows you all the information you need for monitoring. Use it to easily select the monitoring source by tapping the text on top of the screen. The activated monitoring source is indicated by a check mark. All you need to know is shown by one single rotary element. It indicates the volume of your chosen monitoring output, which either are your monitoring loudspeakers or your headphones. The chosen monitoring output is indicated by the icon in the center of the master display. To switch between loudspeakers and headphones, press the monitor hotkey. Compared to the 4-channel IntelliMix Focus, IntelliMix Pro comes with 8 channels displayed in 2 layers. That's why IntelliMix Pro's master display also gives you information about the channel layer, which is currently displayed in the channel displays. Also for IntelliMix Pro, you get small status indicators on top. They show you if at least one of the channels is currently activated. So you can never miss that one channel is active, which is not part of the currently displayed layer. The master display is active if it's not grayed out. That means if the rotary is displayed in color, the volume can be adjusted by turning the rotary control. For more precise adjustments, press the Shift button. As an alternative view for IntelliMix Focus and IntelliMix Pro, you can select the Quick Button view. It offers user-defined buttons to load snapshots. To learn more about snapshots, have a look at the video which is covering snapshots.